Hello everyone, my name is Abdurrahman from Coding Drafts. Today I'm fixing an issue regarding to LinkedIn provider using Next.js. So you will see I'm using LinkedIn provider here. So all the credentials are set. So when I am trying to log in with LinkedIn, so you will see it will redirect back to my sign up page. Now you will see that I'm redirected back to my sign up page, and you will see that uh, I got this issue which says that a required parameter, which is client secret, is missing, or also next-auth. I'm getting next-auth callback error. So it took 2 days to figure it out what actually the issue is and how I can fix this issue. So you will see I got this article on GitHub, so where this brother Sildur, I don't know how to pronounce your name, Sildur, and thank you Pablo for asking this question. You will see this is the solution where we can tackle this. So I will copy this token only, or you can copy the whole provider as well. So I just need this token where we are handling this. We are handling the client secret key with uh, the exchange of body. So I will copy this token and I will change my secret key, client secret key, and client secret ID. So here is my LinkedIn provider, and I will put comma here, and I will paste this token here, and I will change my client ID and LinkedIn client secret. Okay, I will save this, and again I will try to sign in with LinkedIn. Okay, bingo, here it is. So we got the solution here. Okay, you can also use this token where just you has to replace the client ID and secret ID, and it will work. So must try this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.